I'm damn sure you will instantly fall in love with this amazing dessert as you see it, and I bet you can't resist yourself from tasting it. This is a milkshake sort of recipe with a unique style of presentation and visually appealing grand makeover which is made with just 3 ingredients and few toppings. Let me tell you, this is actually a street food dessert of Pune city. But now this recipe has taken all over the streets of India with their unique and personal variations in the presentation. So this is my version of preparing it. So let's get started. Here I have taken Sindura mangoes, also known as Lal Bagh mangoes, which have a beautiful blend of red yellow color. These mangoes are known for their sweet, juicy, and flavorful flesh with a distinct aroma and a creamy texture. The pulp is more juicier and less fibrous, so this can be a perfect choice for this recipe. I've added mango pulp from one Sindura mango to a blender jar. Then add about 1/3 cup of milk. Try using chilled full cream milk for this recipe. Then add about 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream and blend these 3 ingredients well into a smooth fine paste. So this is how the paste looks, creamier and smoother. And that's it. Now let's assemble. Take a tall glass. At the base, add few chopped mango pieces. Here I've added freshly chopped Sindura mango pieces. Then add 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream. Then pour the blended mixture. Here, start pouring the blended mixture slowly and gently so that you get the beautiful color patterns of yellow and white from the mango mixture and the vanilla ice cream. Then add few tutti frutti. Here I've chosen red and green. Then add any dry fruits of your choice. Here I'm adding chopped cashew nuts. So the next layer comes again with 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Then top it up with the blended mixture again. So here everybody has their own unique pattern of presentation. Then after this, add 1 big scoop of vanilla ice cream on the top. See how beautiful the appearance is. So let's add few more toppings on this. So on top of vanilla ice cream, add tutti frutti of your choice. Here I chose green and red tutti frutti again. So you can use the other colors of tutti frutti as well, like yellow and orange. Then add few chopped dry fruits. So here I've used chopped cashew nuts and pistachios, followed by cherry on the top. Adding a cherry on the top has entirely changed the look of this dessert. Do try this recipe with your personal variations in the presentation and do let me know how that turned out to be. If you like this video, do check the other videos on my channel as well for more such interesting videos and cooking recipes. Enjoy and subscribe for more.